Hello, thank you for choosing this profile. I'm a passionate English instructor with over 8 years of experience teaching English to students of all levels. You know, learning a second language like English is always challenging. That's why in my class, I'll focus on creating engaging and interactive lessons to help the learners to improve their language skills and to build the confidence, especially in communication. My class is tailored to your goals. Whether it's for exam or for work or like conversation, I use variety of methods like interactive methods, daily conversation, and fun exercises, and different techniques to make to make learning more enjoyable and helpful. My mission is to inspire you, and I'm really excited to share my expertise and enthusiasm in learning English. Let's start your language journey together and unlock your full potential in learning English. Cheers.